see this recording on the YouTube after this. Okay? Okay, now we want to learn about the quantity of the given number. Okay, for example, before this, you already learned about number block. Okay, before this, you learned about number block. Okay, for example, I have one number block here. This is stand for 1000. Okay, the flat one stand for 100. Okay, and the road stand for 10. And the single one stand for 1 unit only. So after this, when you get this type of question, okay, you don't need to count one by one. Okay, you don't need to count one by one because it is wasting your time. Okay, if you see like this, 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, automatically become 3000. Alright, don't need to count one by one. Macam ni, kalau awak dapat yang macam ni, yang flat ni, kalau ada 5, so maksudnya 500. Tak payah kira satu-satu, nanti buang masa. Okay. Okay, state the value represent from the diagram in numeral. That means this question asks you give the answer in numeral, in number. Okay, so make sure if you get this question, read the question very carefully and stay focused on what question want you to give them. So for example, I have a lot of number block here. Okay, we will come together. We count the 1000 first. Okay, we will count the 1000 first. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3000 here. Okay, now we count the 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 400 here. Okay, and then we count the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6, 10 here. And we count the ones. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So we have 3. So the 1000 will be 3. The 100 will be 4. The 10 will be 6. And the 1 will be 3. So the answer will be 3463. Okay? You remember? Alright, we go for the next question. This question is still same. They are asking you answer in numeral, in number. Okay? So they are asking you the question and the answer in numeral. For example, I have a number block here. I want to ask Sophie. Okay, Sophie, can you tell me the 1000 unit first? How many thousand we have here? You can open your mic and mute.
5000.
Are you sure? Yes, we have 5 here. Okay, Zara, can you state me the 100 value here? Buka mic, Zara. Unmute your mic.
500.
Yes, 500. Okay, I put 5 only. And then I want to ask Puvesha. Puvesha. Mana Puvesha ada tak? Okay, Puvesha, state me the tens. How many tens we have here?
7.
Yes, you have 7 tens here. And Alisa, mana Alisa tadi? Alisa, state me the unit. How many unit we have here in ones? How many?
3.
Yes, you have 3. So your answer will be 5573. Alright. Macam tu cara buat dia. Okay, we go to the next question. Still in number block. And the question asks you the answer in numeral. Okay, still in numeral. Okay, Eunice, I'm asking you the 1000 first. How many thousand we have here?
2000.
Yes, 2000. Okay, thank you. Aisha. Aisha, how many 100 we have here?
400.
Are you sure for?
500.
Yes, 500, Aisyah. Okay. And then the tens, I want to ask Aditi. Aditi, how many tens we have here?
5.
Are you sure 5?
5 tens.
Yes, we put 50. And the last one for the one, I want to ask Leticia. Where Leticia? Okay, call me the ones.
6.
Yes, 6. So we put together will become 2,556. Okay? Okay, we go to the next slide. Still in the same, they're asking you in numeral. Okay? Okay, I want to ask siapa ni? Rokiah ni siapa Rokiah ni? Asia ke? Okay, I want to ask Asia. Tell me the thousand. Mana Asia? Tak ada nak cakap. Okay, tak apa. Tukarlah. Bagi Ain lah. Nurul Ain. You can tell me the thousand unit. How many thousand we have here?
2,000.
Yes, 3,000. Okay. Asmita. Call me for the 100. How many 100 we have here?
600.
Yes, 600. Okay, and then I want to ask, who's Kelvin? Chanya. Okay, Chanya, can tell me the tens.
50.
Yes, 50 and 1. I want to asking siapa lagi belum kena ni. Kanista. State me for the ones.
2.
Yes, 2. So, bila awak gabungkan dia jadi 3,652. Okay, still in the same question in numeral. Okay. Okay. Who wants to volunteer to tell me the value for this diagram? Want to volunteer? Nobody? Okay, I want to asking siapa tadi ni? Hanchika. State me the value.
1,000.
Are you sure 1,000 for all this block?
In 1,300. 1,330.
No, we have some more.
1,600. 600.
1,000
1,600
and
this one 62.
yes, very good. Okay, for the next question. Okay, before this you learn about number block. How about this one? You still remember this one? Okay, if you remember, for the rightmost side is the 1 here. This is 1 and this is 10. This is 100 and for the leftmost is the 1,000. Same like an abacus. Am I right? Okay. Can you tell me the value? Very easy. Awak kira je dekat sini, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you put 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. You put 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put 6. This one also 6. So the value will be 6,646. Okay? Okay. How about this one? I want to ask Alisa. Mana Alisa tadi? Saya dah nampak ada Alisa. Berapa jumlah dia Alisa? Berapa jumlah dia Alisa? Tak nampak ke? Okay, kita kira sama-sama. Okay, the value for ones ni adalah ones. Sekejap Okay, this is 1. This is 1, 2, 3, put 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You put 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. You put 4. Okay, we get the value. So the value will be 4,731. Okay? Alright. Okay, I want to ask Sri Tini. State me the value for this diagram.
6,210.
6,210.
10.
How about ones?
0.
0. Are you sure 0 here?
Yes.
Okay, 6,210. Thank you, Sritini. Okay, for the next question, still in numeral. If you see here, still in numeral. Okay, I want to ask. Siapa ni? Kiriman servis ni siapa? Tanya siapa ke? Okay, Nurin Azika. Nurin Azika, can you tell me the value for this one?
3,240 and 5.
Are you sure? Again, 3,000
3,240
and
40 and
no, 3,200 and
5.
apa dia? 3,200 and
5.
5. This one. 3,200. Ni berapa dua-dua ni?
45.
Yeah, 45. 3,245. Okay. State the value represent for this diagram in words. Okay. State the value represent from the diagram in words. So that's mean they're asking you the answer in words. Alright. I want to ask. Okay. How to do this question? Very easy. You state the value in number first. You arrange the number and then you tell the answer in words. Okay, I want to ask. Siapa lagi ni yang Itong. Itong, can you tell me the value from all these blocks we have here?
Teacher, I cannot see anything.
You cannot see anything, are you sure?
Yes.
You adjust your tile, your view. From the right side. Can or not? Okay, you cannot see anything. Valencia, can you tell me the value? Where is Valencia? You can unmute your microphone, Valencia.
3,463.
3,463. Okay, we check your answer. Okay. 3,463. Okay, jawapan Valencia tadi betul. 3,000. Okay, 3,000. Ini nampak. Okay, 400, number 4. And 63. 63 pergi dekat sini. So jawapan Valencia tadi betul. Okay, for the next slide. Still in words. Okay, the answer one in words. So I want to ask who ah? Sayang Sapia, can you tell me the value from all this block? Apa value dia Sayang Sapia? Cepat kira, 1000 ada berapa, 100 ada berapa? Buka mikrofon, buka mikrofon. Ha.
2,500 and 550 and
550?
2,000
Hmm.
500 and 50 and 6.
56. Okay. Saya Sapia kata the answer is 2556. Okay, so we check Science Sapia answer 2556. Okay? Okay. Now we go to the next slide. Okay. State the value represent from this diagram in words. Kiriman servis ni siapa ni yang pakai background biru ni? Cuba buka mic. Sanya ke?
Yeah.
Okay, Sanya, state me the value from this diagram.
One, two, three, four, five, 6,600
Yes.
and 46.
Yes. 6,646. So the 1000 unit for here, 100, 10 and 1s. And the answer will be 6,646. Okay, very well, very well.
Teacher, can I log out and then locking back?
Okay, Ken. Never mind, you can try. Okay, for this question, still in the same, I want to ask Stella. State me the value for this diagram, Stella.
3,200. Cannot see so small. Thank you.
Thank you.
Can't see.
Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, the last one?
Cakap. 5.
5, right. Okay, so 3,245. So we change into word, become like this. Okay? Okay, for the next question, we learn about comparing number. Okay, we learn about comparing number. How to compare the number of two number. Okay, compare each place value starting from the leftmost digit. Awak kena tengok digit yang paling kiri dahulu. Okay, tengok digit dekat sebelah kiri, belah left side dulu. Okay, greater than or less than and equal. For comparing section, you learn a word greater than, less than or equal. Okay, the symbol for greater than is like this. Okay, the symbol for the less than like this, and the symbol for equal like this. Okay? Okay. Now you look at here. This is the symbol for greater than is shown to the right. Okay, the symbol for the less than show to the left. Okay, and the symbol for the equal is same. Nampak tak sama dengan? Okay? Boleh faham tak? Boleh ingat tak? Okay, lepas ni kita cuba Okay. Next slide. How to compare the value of two number. For example, I have 7,230 and 4,531. Okay. To compare this number, as I said before, you look at the leftmost digit. Okay, you look at the place value from the leftmost digit. For the leftmost digit is a 7 and 4. Okay, yang paling kiri. Okay, yang paling kiri. Awak kena ingat, awak kena comparekan start daripada sebelah kiri. Okay. Okay, awak tengok sini. This is number 7. This is number 4. Okay, this is number 7 and this is number 4. Is 7 greater than or less than 4? Okay, is 7 greater than or less than 4? Mana satu lagi besar? Greater than ni maksudnya lebih besar. Less than ni maksudnya lebih kecil. Okay, saya nak tanya Asia ni. Asia?
Ya.
7 ni greater than or less than?
Greater than.
Greater than? Betul ke greater than?
Tak.
Habis tu apa? Kalau bukan greater than?
Less than.
Less than? 7 is greater than 4. 7 ni lagi besar daripada 4. Faham tak? Okay. Okay, now. So the answer is 7,230 is greater than 4,031. Okay? Boleh faham? Senang ke susah? Senang je. Okay, next slide. I have two set of number. Okay, 2,110 and 5,230. Okay? Okay. Eunice, I'm asking you, what the first thing we must to do? Eunice, where are you?
The first one is smaller than.
No, the first step I told you before. The first step, what we supposed to do? We look at the number what? In the right side or the left side?
The left side.
Yes, we look at the number at the left side first. Okay, number 2 and number what?
Number 5.
Yes, number 2 and number 5. Thank you, Eunice. Well, I want to ask Summer. Okay. Okay. Is 2 is it greater than or less than 5?
2 is less than 5.
What? 2?
Is less than 5.
Yes, 2 is less than 5. So the answer will be? So the answer will be? The answer will be? The answer will be like this, Sama. 2,110 is less than 5,230. Okay, this is the way how you compare the number. Okay, Asia, saya kena tutupkan awak punya mic sebab kalau awak tak tutup mic, nanti kawan-kawan lain semua dengar bunyi bising. Bila nak cakap nanti baru buka Asia Okay. Okay, now we look at to the next question here. Okay, the next question will be like this. I have 3,440 and 3,242. Dania. Dania ada tak kat situ?
Ada.
Okay, Dania. Tell me the first step what we supposed to do. Apa yang kita patut buat Dania? Mula-mula sekali apa dia?
Tengok nombor yang lebih besar.
Ya ke? Okay Dania, dengar saya cakap Okay, the first step we must to do. Okay, you look at the first number here. For the leftmost side, yang paling kiri dahulu. Okay, nombor yang paling kiri dia 3. Sini pun 3. So sama. Okay, if you get the same number, so ignore the number. So we go to the next number. The next number is number 4 and number 2. Okay, number 4 and number 2. Okay, is 4 greater than or less than 2? Dania, is 4 greater than or less than 2? Greater than ni maksudnya lebih besar, less than ni maksudnya lebih kecil. 4 ni lebih besar ke lebih kecil daripada 2?
Lebih kecil daripada 2.
Takkanlah 4 lagi kecil. 4 banyak.
Lebih besar daripada 4. Lebih besar daripada 4.
Tak, tengok sini soalan dia. Dia kata is 4 greater than or less than 2. Maksudnya sama ada 4 ni lagi besar ke lagi kecil daripada 2?
Lebih besar daripada 2.
Yeah, so 4 greater than 2. So macam mana nak tulis jawapan dia Dania? Macam mana nak tulis jawapan dia? Siapa nak tolong Dania? Okay, Zara, how to write the answer, Zara? Mute your microphone. Unmute your microphone, Zara.
3,440 is greater than 3,242.
Yeah, macam tu lah tulis jawapan dia. Nampak? 3,440 is greater than 3,242. Okay, we go to the next slide. Okay. I have two number here, 7,452 and 7,442. Can you tell me, Sophie, what we supposed to do first? Where's Sophie? Okay, Sophie there. What we supposed to do, Sophie?
We compare the number.
Yes, compare. What number we must to compare?
We must compare 5 and 4.
What?
We must compare the number in the place value 10.
The place value, okay. Look at here. I want to compare 7 and 7. Okay, now the number is same. So, what we supposed to do?
We go to the next number.
Yes, we go to the next number. So, ignore the 7. Jangan pandang dia lagi. Kita tengok 4 and 4. So, still same number. What we supposed to do?
Ignore.
Yes, ignore the number. And then we go to the next number. 5 and 4. So 5 and 4. Nombor tak sama. So is 5 greater than or less than 4?
5 is greater than 4.
Yes, 5 is greater than 4. How we write the answer? Yes. 7,452 is greater than or larger than 7,442. Okay. The next question, I have 5,310 and 5,312. Okay. Now I want to ask who ah? Mana tadi? Dah hilang dah. Okay. Chanya. I want to ask Chanya. What we supposed to do, Chanya?
Five and 5 cannot compare with each other, and 3 can't compare, and 1 can't compare. So the 0 and 2 must compare. 2 is larger than.
Okay. Chanya said we cannot compare 5 and 5 because it's the same number. Okay, 3 and 3 also we cannot compare because it's the same number. 1 and 1 also we cannot compare because it's still the same number. But when you look at here, 0 and 2. Okay, is 0 greater than or less than 2? Chanya?
0 is less than 2.
Yes, 0 is less than 2. So how we want to write the answer? How you want to write the answer? Kanya, are you still there?
2 is greater. 2 is greater than 0.
No, I want to write the answer. After you do a comparing session, I want to ask you to write the answer. How to write the answer? Anybody want to help Shania? Okay, I want to ask Hanchika. Hanchika, how to write the answer, Hanchika?
5,310 is less than 5,312.
Yes, this is the way how you want to write the answer. Okay, saya nak bagi awak tips. Okay, if here is less than and your answer must be less than. Okay, boleh faham? Ini awak copy balik yang atas ni. Nampak ni awak copy balik. Ini pun copy semula. Boleh nampak tak? Dah banyak example dah saya bagi ni. Okay, next. Comparing using block. Okay, we want to comparing using block. I have two type of number block here. Okay, I put A and B. Okay, now the first step you must to do, okay, state the value for the A and B first. Okay, can you tell me the value for the A? Puvesha, the value for A. Puvesha, where are you? Are you still there?
$2,113.
2,113. Sorry. 2,113. Okay. Now for the B. Safia. Safia. Okay. State me the value for B.
3,009. Teacher, may I go to the toilet?
Yes, you can. Okay. 3,009. And then you put the number like this. Okay. Compare each place value starting from the leftmost digit. Okay. Okay, and then is 2 greater than or less than 3? This one. Greater than or less than?
Less than. Less than.
Yes, less than. So the answer will be 2113 is less than 3009. Macam ni tulis jawapan dia, nampak? Kalau sini less than, maksudnya dekat sini pun mestilah less than. This one must same. You cannot change. Okay, because you comparing for these two number. Okay. Okay, we want to arrange the number. Okay, we go to the section how we want to arrange the number. Arrange means susun. Susun nombor tu daripada kecil ke besar ataupun daripada besar ke kecil. Okay, arrange number in ascending and descending order. Okay, arrange number ascending order, descending order. Ascending order, that means you arrange number from small to big. Okay, descending, that means you arrange the number from big to small. Okay, for example, in ascending order, I arrange the number 1 until 9. 1 is the small number and 9 is a big number, from small into big. Okay, from small into big. Okay, how about descending? Descending, that means from big to small. Okay, from big to small. Nampak tak? Okay, senang ke susah? Senang je sebab 1 sampai 9. Okay, next slide. Arrange number in ascending order. Maksudnya apa? Ascending order ni apa? Siapa nak jawab? Okay. Siapa tadi tu? Hancika, ascending order ni macam mana nak susun dia, Hancika?
From small to big.
Yes, from small to big. Okay, I have one set of number. Okay, for example, I have one set of number here. The first thing I must to do is identify where is the smallest number and where is the biggest number. And the smallest number is this one and the biggest number is this one. So if you look at here, we have 5 set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we already get number 1 and number 5. Okay, we already get number 1 and number 5. After 4,310 is what? This one is number 2 because this is 20. Okay, after 20 is 30. Where is my mouse? Okay, after this 30. So this is number 3. And then 40. This is number 4. So we already get the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then we put the smallest number and the biggest number. Okay, the number 1 and number 5. And then we put like this. Okay, this is number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay, you look at here, this is number 2, this is number 3, and this is number 4. Okay, boleh faham tak? Mestilah boleh, senang sangat ni. Ini standard 2 dah belajar. Okay, standard 2 lagi kita dah belajar macam mana nak guna benda ni. Okay, sekejap saya nak kena simpan. Okay, for the next one, when you look at here, wait Okay, for the next slide, arrange number in ascending order. Ascending order from small to big. I want to ask Sanya. Sanya, can you state me the smallest value first? Where's Sanya? Oh, Sanya pergi toilet. Okay, Nurin. Nurin bagi tahu saya nombor yang paling kecil, Nurin.
Teacher, did you call me?
Yeah, I call you, but no answer. I pass it to Nurin. Nurin, can you tell me the smallest number first?
Cannot see.
Cannot see. You sure? Sanya, Sanya, can you state me the smallest value first?
The smallest value is 1,310.
Yes. And then I want to ask Aisha. Aisha, tell me the biggest number first.
Biggest number.
Biggest number, Aisha. The biggest number apa, Aisha?
5,310.
Yeah, 5,310 is the biggest number. So for automatically, the smallest number already become number 1 and the biggest number become 5 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number here. Okay, now we want to find number 2, number 3 and number 4. Okay, we want to find number 2, number 3 and number 4. Okay, let's find number 2. I want to ask Itong. Itong, can you find me the number 2 first? Itong? Where is number 2, Itong?
2,310.
Okay, thank you, Itong. This is number 2. Okay, now I want to ask Puvesha. Where is number 3, Puvesha?
3,310.
Okay. Okey, siapa lagi ya? Oh, Ifah ada. Okey, Ifah, boleh tak bagi tahu saya Ifah, nombor 4 yang mana satu Ifah? Ada tak Ifah kat situ? Apa nombor 4 Ifah? Buka mic dulu Ifah. Yang mana satu nombor 4 Ifah? Four thousand. 300 and 10. Again, 4,000 300 and yes, this is number 4. Thank you, Ifa. Okay, now we already get the number, so we can arrange the number from small to big. Okay, we can arrange the number from small to big. So we have the smallest number and the biggest number. Smallest number is number 1 and the biggest number is number 5. Okay, now we arrange number 2 here, number 3 and number 4. Okay, number 2 we go here, number 3 we go here, and number 4 we go here. Okay, very easy. But in your quiz is very hard. Okay, okay, we go to the next slide. We go to the ascending order again. Okay, we go to the ascending order again. I want to ask Aditi, can you find me the smallest number first? Okay, Aditi, find me the smallest number.
The first one.
Yes, which one?
3,110.
3,110. Okay, thank you, Aditi. I want to ask Summer. Where is Summer Claire? Okay, Summer Claire, can you state me the biggest number?
300, 510.
3,300, 500?
3,510.
Yes, the biggest number is 3,510. Okay, I want to ask Bernice, where are you, Bernice? Are you still there? Bernice,
Yeah.
can you tell me the number 2? I already get number 1 and number 5. Can you tell me which one is number 2?
3,210.
Yes, number 3?
3,310.
Okay, and the last one for number 4?
3,410.
Yes, okay, thank you. Now we arrange the number. I have the smallest, I have the biggest, and I have number 1 and number 5. So I arrange number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay, senang kan? Senang je. Okay, for the next slide, arrange number in descending order. Arrange number in descending order. For what means of descending order, Zara? Huh? Descending
From big
order?
to small.
Yes, descending order means you arrange the number from big to small. Okay, from the big number, we go to the small number. So I have one set of numbers still in 5 number card. Okay, the first thing you must to do when we do the descending order, find the biggest number first. Okay, find the biggest number first. So the biggest number here is 4,350. Okay, 4,350. So automatically biggest one become number 1 and smallest one become number 5. Okay, because we want to arrange from biggest to small. From big to small, eh? Okay, now can you tell me number 2, Stella? Stella, where are you, Stella? Are you still there? Stella?
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me the number 2?
4,340.
And 40. Yes, this is number 2. And number 3?
4,330.
Yes, this is number 3. And number 4?
4,320.
Yes, thank you, Stella. Okay, now we want to arrange the number from big to small. I have big number and small number. I have 1 and 5 here. Okay, you can cancel if you want. Okay, now we put number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay, this is number 2, this is number 3, and this one is a number 4. Okay, you look at here from big to small. Okay, from big to small. Okay, we go to the next question. I have smallest and biggest. Okay, biggest and small. So I have number 1 and number 5. Okay, I have number 1 and number 5. I want to ask Sanya. Sanya dari tadi main kamera. Sanya, mana awak Sanya? Dah tak ada dah. Eunice, can you help me find number 2, 3, and 4, Eunice? Eunice? Unmute your microphone, Eunice.
Is
Number 2, the number 2 first.
number 2 is 3,410.
Okay, number 3.
Number 3 is 3,310.
Okay, number 4.
3,210.
Yes, macam tu. Okay, now we arrange the number. Okay, we get number 2, number 3, and number 4 from big to small. Thank you, Eunice. Okay, now we go to the next number. Still in descending order. Okay, still in descending order. Okay, I have still. Okay, Hanchika, which one is the smallest number, Hanchika? Buka mikrofon, Hanchika.
The smallest number is 1,310.
Okay, the biggest number.
5,310.
Okay, thank you, Hanchika. Okay, I want to ask Ashmita. Ashmita, where are you? Are you still there? Ashmita? Oh, ada problem ke? Okay, Ashmita, you can find me number 2, 3, and 4, Ashmita.
4,310.
Okay, this one is number 2. Okay, number 3.
3,310.
Okay, number 4.
2,310.
Yeah, macam tu. Okay. So we arrange the number biggest and small. So we have 1 and 5. So we arrange back. Okay, become like this. Okay, awesome. You learn a lot of things today. We almost 10 o'clock and I left a McDonald's for you. Okay, the McDonald's is the assignment. Okay, answer all questions in quizzes and you can access from your Google Classroom. The due date on 3 February 2021. Okay, now we look at your Google Classroom first. Okay, we look at your Google Classroom first. 3 Jingga. Okay, this is 3 Jingga. Okay, this is your assignment in stream area. You also can reach your assignment in classwork. And you can see like this. Okay, arrange and comparing number. You can choose which one link you want to do. Okay, but assignment yang dulu ada lagi 5 orang yang tak jawab. Assignment yang lepas, minggu lepas tu ada lagi 5 orang tak jawab. Siapa yang tak jawab? Ini dia. Chanya, Aisyah, Khairisha, Nuri dengan Rauda. Ada 5 orang tak jawab kuis saya lagi. So, awak ada masa sampai pukul 11:44 malam nanti. Okay? Until 11:44 o'clock this night to finish the last week assignment. Okay? Okay, this is for the last week. And for this week, you have a time until 3 February. Okay? Until 3 February. Okay. Only 20 questions you can try to do. Okay? That's all for our class today. So we continue to the next week. Okay? So after this session ends, you must to close this window as soon as possible. Okay? Because I record this session. If you not close this web, I cannot receive the recording. Okay, so make sure habis je kelas ni terus tutup. Kalau tadi saya tak dapat recording dia, saya nak bagi dekat kawan awak yang tak dapat join tu nanti. Okay, boleh faham semua? Okay, terima kasih semua. Thank you, bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher. Bye. Bye. Thank you, teacher. Bye. Bye. Thank you, teacher. Bye. Thank you, teacher. Bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye.
Next to the microphone got the phone one. Where you mute the microphone just now, where?
Here already.
Drop the call.
Ada orang left.
Tak telefon, tak telefon.